Scarlett's a bit too...
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Where are we now?
At a hotel.
Hotel's sort of word for it. We're at, where is it, Zephyr Hills? Yeah. You didn't see it last night, but it took me about an hour to check in because we got here and she had trouble finding the room, so she had to call Expedia because we booked through hotels.com, and then she had to book another one, and rather than use the booking code to find it, she used my name. So Expedia were just, and I couldn't tell. Anyway, it took a while, and it took 4 phone calls, and they didn't have a seat. And also it looked a bit like I was checking into a prison because I had like double glass, and you know, you send a package at the post office and they do that thing where shh. Yeah, I'll see if I can get a video of that. Anyway, it's breakfast time. We're gonna go in, have breakfast. Oh, and then we're gonna try and head to Busch Gardens.
Yeah.
She's excited. What have you got on your plate? Just whatever breakfast needs. I've got 3 loops. Because I'm a dad.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's Scarlett's room tour.
This is the Road Star Hotel in Zephyr Hills in Florida. Scarlett, you're going to show us around?
Let's walk to the pool first.
Maybe we will just look at the pool from here. Here's the outdoor area, and over there is the swimming pool.
Okay. Let's start here. Out here. So, as we jump over the stone wing and jump right in. You can see a not lovely bit then. I'm making it now. But no, I'll make it better. I'm a nearly perfect bed. No! My pillow! No! And we got the desk and the lamp and the charger and phone down there and a drawer. Fridge. Microwave. Telly. Remote.
What's interesting about the microwave, Scarlett?
It has 2 plugs. 1, 2.
Maybe it's a US thing, but we've never seen a microwave with plug sockets before.
Key card holder. Drawer.
Yeah.
Drawer. Drawer. Chair. Mirror. Hey, don't you point at me. Hey. Just a minute. Please scan the barcode. You're now part of the Snowman Club. Yay! Yes. Charity.
Guest book.
Oh, a coffee maker. And apple Joe. Daddy's camera. Key card.
And we'll come back to you with the bathroom.
Hello again. It's the second part of Scarlett's room tour. And we're in the bathroom now. Right. Coat hangers. Iron board. Iron. Foldy. Foldy. Suitcase holder. Sink. Tap. Stop. Cup. Bowl. Bottles. Towel. Cup. Makeup remover. Towel. Cup. Bath. Tray. Hair dryer. Switches. Towels. so-called cheese. Because find out in Heather's quizzes.
No, we're not doing Heather's quizzes.
There is Heather's quizzes.
We're not doing Heather's quizzes.
There is Heather's quizzes.
We're not doing Heather's
coming
quizzes.
up soon. Woo!
Sign off.
It's soon for signing off. Go to Heather's quizzes. She'll be on there. I think she has to.
Busch Gardens type day today. Heather's just hiding all the Bucky's merchandise in case anybody wants to steal it. You know how sensitive people are about those onesies. We are in car park number E. E for elephant already. Tram stops there. Gonna be a good day. Gonna be a good day. See, look at that beautiful Florida sunshine. Yeah, Heather's already panicking about ponchos because she can only find 2. And there's 4 of us, which means we're doubling up. Which means me and Nicky are just going to show them. First ride of the day.
Yeah.
Give me your hands up.
Once again, please stand clear. We are
Already prepared for later on when it rains. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Please for the thanks to those serving us today. We're having trouble hiring. Everybody's ready. Thank you. Oh,
single foul line.
that's right, kids.
Single foul. What's that mean, sir? Single foul. Can you learn that?
Bye, Nikki. We'll miss you. Scarlett, look, he's your biggest fan. Nikki looks absolutely happy.
One woman got in front of me and then she invited her whole family of 8 and it was just like,
Not good. Pay once and enjoy delicious meals throughout the day. I think we're alright. Oh. Because petrol costs were so much cheaper than we thought, we've decided to treat ourselves, and we've got the fast pass for Busch Gardens. We've got 1 ride per ride for everybody, and it means that not only can we get this park done a little bit quicker, but it also means we can get to Animal Kingdom Lodge where we're staying tonight and do those sort of things. See there, we've got Iron Gwazi in front. That looks like the queue. No? I think it might be the queue. Maybe we'll come back. Well, let's just join the queue, and then somebody can go and do it.
Bags you want to put into a locker right now, I urge you to do so you don't lose your.
The girls are queuing for Iron Gwazi, and since it's like this and it doesn't look like it's opening anytime soon, I thought I'd go around and have a little bit of a look and see what happens. Take you around the park. See if there's any indoor rides we can do that don't involve standing up and waiting. Shops open at least. So the rain's finally stopped. It looks like these rides could start going again pretty soon, who knows. Just gotta wait for the thunder and lightning to finish and then we'll see what happens. I was a little bit annoyed that the girls hadn't messaged me, and then I realised I've got all the stuff, which probably includes their phones, so I think we'll let them off. So Scarlett's a bit too tiny for this ride. It's one of the few rides in the park that it is. I've been on it, and let me tell you, it's a bit much. Come on, kids. We're going to get a drink now, and we're doing the parent swap thing where one of us has Scarlett, feeds her with something, while the others go on the ride because Scarlett. There's only like 3 rides she can't go on today. This is one of them. That's one of them over there.
What are Daddy and Nancy Dicky doing?
Rat.
Right. What do you know what that's called?
Tiger.
Tigress.
Tigress. Rat.
Mummy's already done it, and Mummy feels like her internal organs have shifted.
But
So
you've already done tiger.
Yeah, I did it with Daddy. That's where me and Daddy went. So I'm glad I'm not doing it again. But I've tried it.
Eating your dog.
And I don't think you'd have liked that one. It went very, very upside down and twisty. Is she?
Can we wait for her?
Smile! So this is Kaylee, who used to teach Scout swimming, and she watches these videos. So when you get home, if you watch these, so it goes up, and then it comes down and goes faster. Right, and then this is where it goes fast. You watch it, it's going to come fast now. It's really hard to do this with the thing on a gimbal. Well, that was fun to bump into people. Just stood in a queue, and on my watch get a notification question saying, "Are you in the queue on this ride?" That was fun, wasn't it? We're going to head to Cheetah Hunt now. We're just going to say hi to some orangutans. Rubbing in river rabbits. Chemical dogs. What is strange here is after having the past 10-15 days of people going, "Oh wow, I love your accent," like bloody loads of Brits here. Everywhere you turn around, "Tyrone, get here! Stop asking for stuff." Oh, take me back to Dolly. And you had enough donuts. So last time we came, we couldn't go on that because they were building it. Now we can't go on it because it's not running.
That's the face forward one, isn't it?
Squirrel. So all the parks are obviously preparing for Halloween, which, to be honest, the Mickey Not So Scary Halloween part is about my limit. Because you walk around, nothing jumps out at you, and you get free sweets. Like, you literally could not, I don't care if I got 1 million viewers, could not pay me to do one of these. So there's Cheetah Hunt up there. Cheetah Hunt! See, Dollywood could learn something because this one has 2 stations, which means you can actually use it as park transportation. Rather than just entertain. Tortoise interaction. Oh my god, we can interact with the tortoise.
Do that at home.
Or we could do that at home. We're not doing things we can do in England.
Literally do it at home.
Yeah. Bye, Maurice. I know you're going to watch this later on our TV. It's not bad, actually. I mean, that is a sponsorship that you want. Well, the official mower of Busch Gardens. What? You see the penguins? Let's go and have a look around here. You wave? Say hi. Oh. Oh, where are they all going? Someone's got food. Oh, we can get a penguin one. Oh. So that right there is Cheetah Hunt. You gonna watch it? Here it comes. And then they're gonna come down here. You watching? Any second now. Do you fancy go? Alright. Oh, bubble one. That's exactly what we need, more bubble ones. Why don't you say what we've just done? What have we just done? Cheetah hunt. And how many times do we do it?
Twice.
Twice. See? Annual pass member lounge. That's what they get. Do you know what we get at Disney? A magnet like twice a year. Like, yeah. And do you know what? It's coming out 3 days after we leave. Not that I'm bitter, Disney. That's what I'm getting now. So you can see there, we've just done that ride, and we've just done the mine train one over there. Both are pretty good. All right, okay, we're going this way. I'm just going to follow wherever the girls want to go. So only a few more rides to do. We're going to get the train to one of them, and then it's time to head to the shop to buy our ornament and badges, and then head to our hotel. We did buy the fast pass today, and it was $75 each for a single one. And do you know, with crowds today, probably didn't need it. I think the most wait for a ride was, like, ignoring the Anguazi, which was 2 hours because of the thunder, was about 30 minutes. And yes, oh, look at these. Well, what did you think about the prices today? No? I know they try and make it look like their natural habitat, but I'm pretty sure in the African plains it doesn't go ah, 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 every 15 seconds. Look at these things. Having a little sleep. We won't wake it up. Don't wake it up. Just having a little sleep. It's pretty cool, isn't it? We're waiting in the queue for the train, and we're already reviewing the... I think we're going to try Dairy Queen on the way, because we had ice cream there, it was nice, but they also did burgers. And it's close, and it rated quite highly on our whirlwind tour of American fast food places. And then a little bit of shopping, and then home to our hotel for the evening, which is the Animal Kingdom Lodge. I tell you what, I timed that really well with the roller coaster, didn't I? I'm almost impressed with myself. The reaction from these two is nothing, you know. I don't know why I bother sometimes. You want an ice cream? How about when we're done here, we'll take you for an ice cream.
Yay!
Anthony, you want an ice cream?
Not particularly. That's that I don't particularly like ice cream.
She's weird. She's so weird. So weird. I don't like ice cream. I don't like. watching? Here we go. Right, when it comes out, don't touch it.
Let Daddy get it.
It's going to be very, 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 very hot. 50 seconds it's going to take. You gonna count to 50? Oh, look at that! Woo! I'll go back. Right, Mummy wants to hold that.
Officially inspector pseudonym for touching it.
Yeah. Looks pretty good.
We need to hold her up, see if we need it upside down.
We do. Look at that. That's our cheetah.
Should we collect
Anthony, you
them
gonna get
all?
one? It is very, very hot.
It says collect them all.
Merchandise is not going well. They have a Christmas ornament. We have this. But the only pin badge they have, this is Busch Gardens, says Busch Gardens Williamsburg, one up there, and they don't have a cheetah hunt pin badge in the cheetah hunt section. So we'll see what happens. 6:10, we are done at Busch Gardens, aren't we? Time to head to the exit, buy one of the gift shops, and then head to
Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen. So Busch Gardens are trying to get on the pin trading and pin taps, which is all good, but like Scottish. I wonder how many of them are going to sell. Apart from a certain family in Connor.
Hotel.
Dairy Queen time. We'll have a bit of a debrief about Busch Gardens.
Is that it?
So, we are currently driving to our third Dairy Queen of the day. Because the first Dairy Queen...
Half hour.
Well, yes, of a half hour, because the first Dairy Queen we tried, they didn't seem to want to serve us, they just ignored us. The second Dairy Queen we tried, it turns out that was treat only. So, what do we say? Third time's a charm. Fingers crossed. Hopefully this will be better. We will let you know. And if not, we've discovered there's also a Culver's down the road.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed, Scarlett.
So we're here at the third Bookies. How are you doing?
Good, and it's not a Bookies.
Scarlett's Kids Milk comes with this for water, and we get a promotional bottle of water that's sponsored by a physician group about an event in April 2020. This place is so strange. It's like it must be franchised, and they all have different menus. They all have different offers. Nothing's consistent. I don't think the staff are pretty
It does
good.
say best burgers in town.
It does say best burgers in town, Scarlett. Maybe they are. We're about to try them, but I will see what
I'm about
happens.
to try my kids' hot dog.
We're gonna have the kids' hot dog, and then we're gonna have some blizzards.
Yes, blizzard.
Yeah.
Which one ice cream should I have?
You've got a vanilla ice cream
Yay! In a cup?
in a cone.
Jerry.
Once again, Scarlett chooses to demolish it before we've had a chance to film it and put the reaction. What do you think? Chocolate dipped ice cream, can you believe it?
Chocolate with vanilla ice cream.
Do you know what we need? We need a dad tax. Better eat that before the chocolate freezes. Well, I've never been here before. So isn't this exciting? We can have a quick look around, yeah.
Okay.
But what? They just say welcome home. Here we go. Is the door's gonna work? Oh. Whoa, magic doors. Now where is check-in? Check-in's here. Yep. All checked in. Oh. Oh, that worked. Time to head to the underground parking. Oh, it's a bit steamy in here. Woo! It's getting hot in here, so let's go park the car. Scott's ready in a Bucky's outfit, shows.
Shoes.
Your Bucky's swimwear. Get your shoes on. You got a Bucky there. So we are currently heading to the pool, we think. You can't see me, but we are. You can see here. How do we think we're heading to the pool? There's a man in front with a towel and flip-flops on. So we think we'll just follow him. I mean, what could go wrong with this plan? Other than me say that and turning around. He went to the car park, but we found the pool. Now, how do we get through here without the camera getting wet? Oh, this is a gauntlet. Alright, we found the pool. I'm not going to film it because there's loads of kids in it, but looks pretty good. Let's have a bit of a rest and then we'll get off. Alright, stop filming now. I've got my cup off.
Don't squirt me because I've got the camera.